Hey, so you've been flirting with someone. The eye contact is there, the playful banter, maybe even some late-night texts. And yet, nothing's happening. No move, no date, no progress. It's like being stuck in romantic purgatory. If you've ever asked yourself, are we even into each other, or am I just imagining it? This video is 100% for you. Let's break down what's really going on, and what you can actually do about it. Section 1. The Flirt Loop. First, let's name what's happening. I call it the flirt loop. Both of you are enjoying the attention, the chemistry is electric, but no one's taking real action. Why? Because flirting is safe. It's low risk. You can flirt without rejection. It keeps the fantasy alive without the fear of, what if this ruins everything? But the truth is, you don't want a flirt loop. You want a real connection. So here's how to move from stuck to something real. Section 2. Reason number 1. Fear of rejection. Let's be honest. One big reason nothing's happening is fear. Most people flirt as a shield. They're testing the waters, not diving in. And you might both be waiting for the other person to make the first move. Here's what to do. Break the symmetry. Say something simple like, I always enjoy talking to you. We should grab a coffee sometime. Not, let's talk about our feelings. Just a soft nudge. Most of the time, that little nudge is all it takes to shift the dynamic. Section 3. Reason number 2. Mixed signals. Another reason? Mixed signals. They're hot one day, cold the next. You laugh together, then they leave you on read. Here's the hard truth. Some people flirt out of boredom or to feel wanted, not because they want something real. That's why you need to watch their patterns, not just the moments. Ask yourself, do their actions match their flirting? If not, you're investing in a fantasy. Time to pull back and protect your energy. Section 4. Reason number 3. Emotional unavailability. Sometimes nothing's happening because one or both of you aren't ready. It could be past heartbreak, fear of commitment, or just life being messy. You can flirt with someone all day, but if they're not emotionally available, it won't go anywhere. In that case, clarity is power. Try saying something like, I like the vibe we have. Are you open to seeing where this could go? If they dodge or deflect, now you know. No more guessing. No more waiting. Section 5. What to do next. So what do you actually do? Here's your checklist. Drop a clear, casual invite, break the pattern, watch for action, not just attention. Don't overinvest in someone who's emotionally unavailable. If the signals stay murky, pull your energy back. They'll either step up or fall off, and remember, silence is also a message. If someone wants to move things forward, they will. If not, you'll know it soon enough. You deserve clarity. You deserve connection. Flirting is fun, but real love takes courage and action. So stop overthinking, start observing, and if needed, make that move. If this hit home, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Yep, I've been in the flirt loop. Let's talk about it.